Alright, babe, I'm gonna shoot. Do you mind tidying up today? Is that alright? Don't you worry, babe. I'll make it spick and span for you. Thanks, babes. I'll see you later. Alright, have a good day. Hey, are you alright? This year, how's your day? Yeah, it was alright. Aw, thank you for doing that, babe. It's as clean as a crystal in there, babe. Yeah, that looks really... You won't find anything messy in that room, I tell you. Look at that, she's speechless. You didn't realise I could do such a good job, did you? You didn't do a good job, you just moved everything from the bed to the chair. Well, the bed's clean. For fuck's sake. Well, I must say the kitchen is looking clean. Only the best. Only the best for you, though. I feel like I could clean the place probably better than you, I would say. That. What? You're just moving shit from one place to the next. You're not actually cleaning. It's in the cleaning area. It's basically done. Oh, it's like living with a twat.